Hey traders, I'm going to show you some signals here. This is Tron. Okay, we've got this indicator. I'll just drop it down because it's providing the signals on the chart. And we have this one. Stronger signal when you see both, but let's go back and have a look and see what they look like. Okay, green signals in the green zone. These signals can go off over here in the alerts. I've only just released this one today. This is the crypto strength velocity logic. Show it to you quickly. Okay, it's actually covering these as a base, as you can see here, but you can place this on any chart and it will track it. It doesn't have to be this list. You can see what I've got here. You can stop the video and take a screenshot if you like. But yeah, I mean they're pretty good signals. Now we've got certain settings for the indicators, and that's a different video. I just wanted to come in here and show you what we've got going here with these crypto signals. They're really, really good. I mean, gosh, which one would you not want? And depending on how well you manage it. Now you can load up. There's 3 signals there. You could load up with 3 different positions so that you can see that they are pretty good. Now that bearish signal, you won't take it in a green zone. So you're going to use these indicators here. Right? If the background's green, we're only looking for buy signals. So you'll take those. That one was a little bit short-lived. Sometimes it'll just give you a little bit. Now you can close partial profits on that blue dot down there. That's another indicator giving you an exit point. See over here, this is the exit point. Well, these 2 yellow signals here. If you want to, you can take like 50% off the table and then move your stop loss up, something like that. And if you do that, like if you enter down here, for example, you got a couple of signals. So then look to take, say, 50% off at that point there, and then you'll be moving your stop loss up. And see the green dots? You've got the outer green dots for the first stop loss, and then as this moves, you're going to trail it with the inner green dots. A bit closer to it, and then you get taken out up here, possibly. But then, you'd re-enter those ones with a stop loss down in here for that. All right, guys, so this is now available. And they are really, really nice. And I want to show you something else. Yeah, see the stop loss, you'll follow that outer level there. So that gets you out of trouble. Now here's the thing. Depending on how aggressive you want to get with this. So if we go to this indicator here and go to inputs and go all the way down and we go to all. Look at that. So in the red zone, you can build on your position. And what this generally gives you is a pullback. See how it's pulled back? There's grey candles or bars, and then when it turns red again, it goes red. So that's what that's doing. It's looking for this pullback. All right, so you've got a little bit of a pullback here. See this look? So, generally you're going to be looking for expansion, retrace, and then the retrace you get these grey, and then they turn red. And there's your sell, right? So, this will get you in like, okay, high, low, pullback, sell, high, low, pullback, sell, pullback, sell. See what I'm getting at in the trend? Pullback, sell. Look at this, right? So there's your swing, there's your expansion, retrace, and then it's getting you in on that pullback. So when this starts to rotate, it's pretty good. So you can build on your position, but watch out because, at the end of the trend, it'll turn around on you. But, your stop loss, you're following this red shaded zone along here. That gets you out of trouble. And then, once it turns green, close everything. Just shut the whole lot down. So stay in it while it's red. Do that if you like. See how it's green here. Just load up on this while it's green. Then as soon as a red, that was a big drop. You want to be careful. Yeah, that was a bit tricky. Anyway, look, if you're following it up with your stop loss, if you're trailing it with your stop loss, you'd have your... Well, these stop losses here would get taken out up in here, wouldn't they? See that? So, if you're following this green shade, all of your trades from all the way back down in here get stopped here. This is where it shuts down because that's where it. See how it closes? It trades down below the green dots. Okay, so you're following these green dots where my mouse is with your stop loss all the way, right? So from back down in here. That's your exit. So if you do it that way, you'd get away with it. And, if you're loading up, you're going bananas with this, right? Because there's all these signals. So as this works for you and as it starts to trend like that, I will be taking 50% off all of these positions back here and then just trailing that stop loss down behind it. And then that way you're totally in the money, big time, right? And then you just keep loading up. You probably want it to go to 1R before you close 50% or go to the blue dot. There's your dot there, see? So that gained, from here to here. I mean, that's not bad. It's pretty good, actually. I mean, what's the R factor on that? See, that already, it's nearly 3R already, and then you're closing 50% of that. It's 3R on that one. See the blue dots everywhere? So those blue dots is where you're going to be just shutting everything down before it, closing 50%, okay? Anyway, I don't want to get too technical because I'll cover this in VIP. This is just an introduction. So this is Tron, specifically, and I'll do videos on these other ones as well. This is a crypto strength, velocity, logic. It's tracking these on the indicator, but you can actually apply it to any crypto chart and it will track that chart independently of these. So this is just my main list that I've got here, and I've got these set up over here. Oh, this is Binance, by the way. This is tracking off Binance itself. And here's where it gets better. You can trade. I've got Binance selected as a favorite here. You can trade your Binance account directly in TradingView using the indicators on here and build your Binance account. It's a winner. With that, guys, jump on board. Yeah, on the website, join VIP. You only really need the silver level with this one. You get 7 days to trial it, completely free. This is going to go up, by the way. But at the moment, you can lock that in at $29.95 a month. Make it back on your first trade. That's what my members are doing. Okay, with that, have a great day. And I look forward to seeing you in VIP.